Let us see sixth question. A chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeters. Here given radius of the circle is 15 centimeters. Subtends an angle of 60 degrees at the center. Here given angle 60 degrees. Find the areas of the corresponding minor and major segments of the circle. Draw circle. This is a circle with center O. And draw chord of the circle. This is the chord of the circle. Let AB is the chord of the circle. Subtends an angle of how much angle? 60 degrees. So here given angle at center 60 degrees. We know the radius of the circle 15 cm. Here OA and OB are radii of the circle, each 15 centimeters. See this diagram. Here OAB. OAB is a triangle. From triangle OAB, here AB equal to, here OA equal to OB. Reason is radii of circle. Okay, in triangle two sides are equal, then opposite angles also, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So here OAB, angle OAB equal to angle OBA. Okay, using angle sum property in triangle, angle sum property in a triangle OAB, angle OAB plus angle OBA plus angle AOB equal to 180 degrees. We know angle AOB is 60 degrees. Angle OAB equal to angle OBA. So in place of angle OBA, we substitute angle OBA. OAB. In place of angle OBA, we can write angle OAB. Okay, both angles are equal to 180 degrees. Since angle OAB equal to angle OBA, 60 degrees, 2 times of angle OAB equal to 180 degrees minus 60. How much? 120. So therefore angle OAB equal to 60 degrees. Okay, angle OAB, which is equal to angle OBA equal to 60 degrees. Here each angle in a triangle equal to 60 degrees. Then it is a, here all angles are equal, then it is an equilateral triangle. So therefore triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. Okay, in equilateral triangle all sides are equal. Here OA equal to OB, which is equal to AB. Radii of the circle, OA and OB are radii of the circle. How much? 15 centimeters. Then AB equal to 15 centimeters. Chord length equal to 15 centimeters. Is it clear? Okay, here we have to find area of the minor and major segments. Area of minor segment equal to area of, suppose here point is P, OAPB is a sector of the circle. Okay, area of sector OAPB minus area of, we don't want area of triangle, only we want area of the segment, this area, shaded region. The region bounded by chord and corresponding arc in between chord endpoints. Area of triangle OAB. Area of the sector formula, theta by 360 into pi r square. Here theta value 60 degrees by 360 degrees into pi value. Here we have to use pi value 3.14 into radius of the circle r square, r into r, 15 into 15. Area of the triangle OAB of into A into B, A into B. Angle including corresponding sides, 15 centimeters into 15 centimeters, that is 15 centimeters into 15 centimeters into sine 60 degrees. Okay, here using area of the triangle formula of into A into B into sine C. This is the formula for area of the triangle. This value we get 117.75 centimeter square minus this value equal to 97.3125. Okay, sin 60 value root 3 by 2. Here using root 3 equal to 1.73. Therefore final answer is 20.4375 centimeter square. This is the area of minor segment. Next, we have to find the area of major sector, major segment also. Area of the major segment. Here this shaded region is minor segment. Here we have to find area of major segment. Remaining part is called major segment. Okay, in triangle AB is the minor segment. Remaining part, this part is major segment. Okay, so how to find area of major segment? Total area of the circle minus, we don't want minor segment area. Okay, area of the circle minus area of minor segment. Area of the circle pi r square. Here using pi value 3.14 into pi r square into r square. R value 15 square, 15 into 15. Okay, minus area of the minor segment we get 20.4375 centimeter square. So therefore this value equal to 706.5 minus 20.4375, which is equal to 686.0625 centimeter square. Okay, therefore area of the major segment equal to 686.0625 centimeter square.